marketing budget. Okay, we have a very confined marketing budget to himself. So a marketing strategy suitable for him would be number one, an article or a blog. Okay, so you go to an article site and actually tell people about what insurances he is into and which company he is an agent to. Okay, so he can actually describe through his article site or a blog telling people what is the agent of. And next, number two is if he is a well-known agent and if he has many participants, if he has like around 50 to 100 clients, range of clients, then the suggested option would be a group, like a meetup group. He can probably actually form a meetup group and conduct meetings once every 2.5, 3 months, and actually tell the people about what new insurance policies are in the market, and that is how you invite the existing clients to new insurances, and also through spread of word of mouth, you can actually invite new clients. So this is for the agent. Next, coming to a company. See, established insurance company, it is obvious that it will have a big marketing budget. So it will have a lot of surplus and it will have a good amount of marketing budget. So the strategy, the marketing strategy would go like, number one would be a website, a full-fledged website. Okay, hire a good designer, programmer, and come up with a website describing all the policies available with the insurance company, and also provide a registration platform online on the website. Next is press release. Now, okay, you have also 3 press releases, and being a big company, it gives you a wider scope to tell people. When you're a known company and you actually want to come up with new policies and new schemes, it's the best way to tell the public through press release. Next is trade fairs. Okay, agreed, trade fairs are not free, they are paid. But then this is another platform where, as Sir said, serious people and serious participants would come to a trade fair. So people who are seriously interested in insurance and people who are serious agents and regular agents, they would come to a trade fair and it would do a lot of good to a company. So I sum it up like this. For an agent, I would suggest article site or a blog and a group meetup, and for a company, it would be a website, press release, and a trade fair. Thank you.
Very good. Thanks.
Good afternoon, everyone. Ashutosh Vijayawada, BCom honors. So the current scenario is insurance for marketing strategy for an agent and for a company who are insurance. So for an agent, first thing will be convincing him. Convincing will be the fact that he already has a few insurance policy holders who have their policy for him. The first thing I would suggest would be social media optimization, and that would be by promoting himself on Facebook, because then insurance is a business of trust. It is a thing about trust. So firstly, all his Facebook friends should know that okay, this guy is an insurance business. Next would be creating a Facebook page when he gets all that, where he would, along with sharing about his own company, he would even share the benefits and benefits of his insurance and the services he can do as a lone insurance holder. The point might be that one person having a Facebook page is difficult, but at the same time, he can put all the hard work, and being a SMO, social media optimizer, I can also focus on the company. I can exploit the company's goodwill as well as the insurance agent's goodwill. And moreover, the existing customers, they will also spread a word of mouth on his Facebook page. Later would be classifieds. Classifieds would be when he has reached a certain level of on his Facebook level, he will classify and get unknown customers who will be directed to his other IDs and forums. On forum, he can explain them the importance of insurance, and he can even slightly promote himself that his company is a good insurance provider and he can be their agent. Next, directly when he sets up his own establishment, not an insurance company, but even insurance agents have their offices, right? So he can keep it at office address on his directly and stuff. Trade fair. trade fair comes into play when he goes as a visitor. Like there are even health trade fairs going on, hospital trade fairs going on. Where even patients will be there because even they have need for research and stuff. Hospitals will be there. He can tie up with smaller clinics, smaller hospitals instead of directly targeting the large ones because he's just a single agent. Next comes company. For a big company, a website is already existing. The first thing I would be about the search engine optimization for that website, and the keywords would be like Google will help me out with that. Banners, hospitals. Because an insurance agent, first time company would be hospitals would be its main target, right? So Apollo hospitals and certain big hospitals can have their banner advertising like which comes into play. Next would be being a big company. It can organize insurance awareness.